Right, you join me here in the Spitfire garage. Come to start it for the first time since winter. There's a little bit of sun out at the moment. It is about 7 o'clock, so it's going down, but I thought to myself, we'll get it started, take you for a little run before it gets too dark, so we'll see if it works. Before I put it away, I was having a little trouble. Let me try and get in the angle. There's not a lot of space in these garages. Before I put it away, I did have a little bit of trouble with the ignition. It kept turning itself off. Let's have a look. Keys down there on the in a strange place. We've got a light on, so that's good news. So we'll give it a go. Right, so I just went to turn the key and it's gone off. The aerial's gone back down. Radio's gone off. Zoom you out. And if I mess at the back, you hear that then? If I mess down here, there like that, I see we get power again. But Lucy, and down it goes. So we've got a bit of a problem with the wiring limb at the back of the ignition. Oh, it's back again. So anyway, my torch has gone off, battery's low. We're going to try and start it before we run out of battery. So what we in neutral? Yes. Let's hope that it don't keep turning off when I'm trying to turn it over. Better give it a bit of choke. There we go. Oh, a little fire then. Oh, and there we go. It's up and running. It doesn't do bad at starting, to be fair. I mean, it's been months and months since it's been started. And away it goes. So I'll take you for a little ride to get the roof down. Easiest roof in the world to get down, I'll say. Might not be one hand. There we go, look. Off it comes. Just fold it down. And we'll take you for a little run. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel for a quick video on the Spitfire, which hasn't been out in a long time. This is the first time it's been out since winter, and it's absolutely hammered down on it today, which is great. But this fuel cap is pitted bad. It's got overspray on it. So I bought another one, which is a lot shinier. It's still got some pitting on it, as you can see, but nothing compared to this thing, which I'll never polish again. So we're going to have a go at fitting this one, and it looks like, put this somewhere, it looks like we've got to undo behind this panel, which we've unscrewed, is a Jubilee clip down there. So we're going to undo that Jubilee clip, and then we think it just pulls out with a bit of luck. I'm about to find out. So the Jubilee clip is undone. There's one at the top. Well, you got one at the bottom there. Look, see it just shining up there. So we just undone that, loosened it off, and then we can turn the filler cap, and out it comes. That's the easiest filler cap ever replaced. And then we've got the new one up there, held by my glamorous assistant. Looks like there's been a bit of silicone put around there at some point. We'll leave that on for now. So, what is it different?
This has no noggin. This
has a noggin. Okay, so
maybe
noggin, no noggin. I mean, the filler cap's the same size. Yeah. The neck's the same size. I think that noggin has got to be pushed in, and then the Jubilee clip goes there, so it can't just be pulled out. We'll try that. See, we might have to let the Jubilee clip off a fair bit to try and get it in now, though. Let's have a feel. Oh shit, don't want to pull that off. I don't know, try pushing it in. No, it ain't gonna go in.
Is it stuck on?
Yeah. Maybe this is a different year or something.
I mean, we could probably just take that off.
That's what I'm thinking. I'll grind that off. We'll grind the noggin off. Terrible grinder, eh?
What?
I might just... It's coming off. We'll continue grinding and then we'll come back when it's ground. I'll probably be shouted at for grinding that noggin off because somebody's going to say, that ain't for that car. But I've ground it off, so I'm looking. And in. Oh, yes. That's lovely. So we'll just tighten the Jubilee clip on the inside. And jobs are good then. That's only a short video, nice and easy. The camera's upside down, so I'm unsure whether I'm going to be upside down. I might have to rotate this, I've just noticed. So...
It'll be fine.
Like and subscribe. More videos on Land Rovers, more videos on Spitfires, more videos on Jaguars, just more videos. So like and subscribe. I want Rovers, Jaguars, XJs. Help us build the channel. We're nearly at 2,000 subscribers. So please continue to subscribe, continue to like and share videos, and we'll try and build the channel a bit more.